Okay, here we go. Box of 2015 Topps Archives Baseball for Florida Fan. Thank you very much, Kenneth. Good luck. What you looking for out of this? Will Ferrell, some Florida guys. I like the 1990 Topps look. I dig that. Jeff Conine? Haha. I love the old school packs. I said I was going to do all the rookies and all of the short prints and all of the inserts. See how the base goes. All right, here we go, buddy. Good luck. So, this is what we're looking at right here. These are pretty cool. Cal Franco rookie. Chipper Jones mean mugging you. Madison Baumgartner, first draft pick. Boom. Where'd that other guy go? Altuve. Yeah, I love them too. They're pretty sick. Oh, I didn't realize these were going to be like a glossy. Paulie Goldschmidt. Okay. Yeah, that's the presidential card. George Bush. Jose Bautista. Jimmy Carter. Just a painting of them. They have cut autos for the presidents. That'd be pretty sick to hit. Mookie. Yeah, 101 cuts. I'm not a big fan of cut autos that are numbered to like 70. I think that's kind of weird. Tim Foley, original. That's pretty damn clean for an original. Fernando Vina. Topps Archives. Fan favorite certified issue autograph. Fernando Vina. Manny Machado. Mike Trout. Sick. Gaptooth. Ryan Braun. Jose Vidro. It's your second auto. Jose Vidro. Soul Glow. Yasiel Puig. Vlad. Big hurt. Big hurt. Will Ferrell. Boom. There you go. Recap it a little bit for you. Got a Will Ferrell. Triple play. Yasiel Puig. #1 draft pick. Trout. Ryan Braun. Manny Machado. Original Tim Foley. Brandon Finnegan. Jimmy Carter. Jose Bautista. George W. Cal Franco and Madison Baumgartner, with your autographs being Jose Vidro and Fernando Vina. Vina and Vidro. There you go. Thank you very much, Florida fan. Appreciate it.